Hello friends, welcome to Office Platform Santosh this side. In this video, we will see how we can import a CSV file into Excel. So this is my sample data which I want to import into an Excel file. Okay, let's close this file, go to a new file. So this is the file where I want to import that CSV file. So in this, I will use the Power Query engine to import the data. So for that, we will have to go to a data column, data menu, and then go to get data from file. Since we are importing the information or the data from a particular file name, so we will select the form of file or the type of file over here. Since our file is in a CSV format, we will select the CSV file, and then it will ask for the file name where it is saved. I will go, since it is saved in the desktop in the temporary folder. So this is the file I will select, and then I will click import. A small pop-up box will show up with the sample data, the file origin, delimiter, and the data type. I will not change anything, and I will click on transform data. Now here we will see the Power Query window getting populated, and the data that was available in the CSV file is available to us in this Power Query. So these are different type of different menus over here where we can do our cleanup. Since our data is in a very clean structure, we can directly import it into Excel. For that, we will go to close and load, and then close and load to. Now this import data window will show up. Over here we will click on existing worksheet, and on this file under this cell and click OK. If you see over here, the complete data set has been imported. Let us open the file and see if all the data has been imported. So we have 10 records with 5 columns, and it is imported. Let us try updating another line. So suppose that I will copy this line and update it as C11, and I will write my name over here and save it, close, and if I click on refresh, the new line item is added. So this is how we can import a simple CSV file into a particular Excel file with the use of Power Query.